Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried fish in soybean sauce or stir-fried fish in Poaching sauce. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we're going to season our fish. I have with me over here 360 grams of grouper fillet, sliced thickly like this. Leave the skin on, otherwise later when you cook it, it will break off easily. Add in half a teaspoon of salt, a few dashes of white pepper. Very gently mix them together until they feel a little bit sticky. Once you feel that they are sticky like this, we add in a little bit of cornstarch, approximately 1 tablespoon. This will help to protect the protein. Same thing, gently mix them up. Now we add a little bit of oil so that later when you poach them, they will separate easily. Mix them up well, and I'll show you the next step right after this. Now we're going to poach our fish using medium heat. Add in a few pieces of sliced ginger. You don't have to wait for the water to boil, just add in the ginger at the same time that you turn the heat on. We'll put the lid on and wait for the water to come to a boil, and I'll show you the next step after this. The water is starting to boil and we'll add in our fish now. Add in your fish slices gently. Now I'm using grouper over here. You can always use snapper, sea bass or any firm white fish. We just need to poach them until they are white in color and we remove them from the heat. It's very important not to overcook them because we'll be adding them to the beautiful sauce that we'll be making in a while. Just gently push them a little bit, make sure that they are submerged in the water. We want the fish to be completely white in color, so we just gently poach them. This is a dish that my dad used to cook, and it's a very delicious dish. Excellent with porridge or with rice. Now as you can see, the fish has turned white. We'll now remove it from heat and drain this. You can discard the water and the ginger, and I'll show you the next step right after this. Now we'll put our dish together using medium heat and the same wok. Add in approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in 10 grams of minced young ginger, 2 shallots minced. We'll add in also from 2 spring onions, the white stem sliced thinly like this. Add them all in. We'll fry them until they are a little bit fragrant before we add in our garlic. Now use medium heat. Don't turn up the heat way too high. We don't want to burn all these beautiful aromatics. The reason I'm putting the garlic in later is because garlic burns quite easily or cook quite fast or brown quite fast. So we need to fry until the fragrance is out before adding in the garlic. The fragrance is out already. It's smelling very, very nice. We'll add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Put them all in. Same thing, we will fry until the whole thing is fragrant. Remember, you must move them around. This is really beautiful. My whole kitchen is filled with this very beautiful fragrance. It's making me very hungry right now. Okay, as you can see, the aromatics are browned. We'll add in water now. Add in 200 milliliters of water. Mix them up a little bit. Add in half a tablespoon of Teochew or soybean paste. Put it in. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And for that beautiful dark hue, we are adding in half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. To balance up the taste, add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. This is going to be so delicious. Make sure everything is mixed up well before we thicken it with our cornstarch. Now everything has been mixed up nicely. Let's just thicken this up with some cornstarch solution. A little at a time, just swirl it around. Now we will thicken it to the consistency that we want. It must be slightly thick because you need to coat the fish with this beautiful sauce. Just a little bit more. We'll now add in 1 whole onion, cut like this. Just pour everything in. Now I like the crunch, that's why I did not put this in earlier. Now we add in our fish. Add in the rest of your spring onions. Now we can turn off the flame right now because everything is cooked already. Very gently mix them up. Let the fish get in contact with the beautiful sauce. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells absolutely delicious. Let's try this now. The fish. Oh, super tender. I love the hint of garlic, the hint of shallots, as well as the ginger inside here. This is really fantastic. Let me have one more mouthful. Oh. Sauce with the rice. Oh. Exactly how my dad used to cook. This is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, that's good. Oh.